Ew, guys.
He's smelling his armpit.
I think that one over there is asleep. Some other people fed them some bread, so they're probably tired now. Mom, I won't drop my phone.
Splash.
That one's armpit must stink. He's passing out.
Oh, look, he's cleaning his leg. That one right here.
I've never seen a duck clean their leg. That one trotting onto the dirt. Oh my god, I didn't know ducks had feet. I can't see the screen, it's too bright. It's too bright today. There's that one over there with the green head. Ducks are cute. I don't know how they sleep with their necks twisted backwards.
That doesn't look very comfortable.
Yeah.
You see those just floating in the water there. That looks relaxing.
Yeah. They have to use their bodies as a pillow. Yep. And clean themselves and then going to sleep. Whoa, what is that?
Oh, Jesus. Is that a turtle?
Oh, look at that.
It's a crow, isn't it?
I think. You said you saw a turtle? Hello. Well, a crow's honking at us. That means we're gonna die in a few days. Where'd you see the turtle?
I don't know. I thought I saw him peeking up out of the water.
I think I might see him, but it might be a piece of wood.
Oh, the white bird over there.
Yeah.
Are you recording stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like birds.
Crow's getting
Birds are
noisy.
cute. Hello. He has his beak open. Hey, little guy. Are you an omen of death?
Stop. Look. I'm scared.
Oh, there they go. They don't want to get cursed. No offense, little crow.
Oh, listen to him.
Oh. They're whistling.
It's a short nap time. Ooh, can you see all the fish down there?
Well,
I know, but
put my phone over the edge, I might drop it.
There's a baby turtle.
Oh, I saw it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a baby turtle under there.
Nature.
Hey. Oh. Why is your mouth open? Are you waiting for a bug to fly into your mouth or something? Okay, he's gone. Have any final things to say to the viewers? Bazinga.